In PCBA production, we often see dots like this on the side of the board. This point is called the mark point, or what we call an optical anchor point. Generally speaking, mark points fall into two categories. One is used as the basis for the identification of the entire plate in the PCB assembly process. The other is used as the identification base point for components with high individual assembly accuracy requirements in PCB. For PCB full-page identification reference, generally placed on the PCB diagonal, the assembly must ensure that the mark point is smooth. It is necessary to ensure that the mark point is smooth and clean to ensure its good reflective effect. For components requiring high precision assembly, such as the QFP, BGA, Lodger, CSP, CAF and QFJ, the following SOP, B2B connectors, FPC connectors below 0.3 毫米 pitch, etc., according to the assembly process and quality requirements, selectively mark points on the above components. The thing to note is that it's directly below the mark point. Need to ensure that the copper plane is complete. Otherwise, all the layers directly below mark point are called copper hollowing. Because of the composition of the optical anchor point, there must be an area around the point without components, and you need an area free of other copper to ensure that the point has a relatively wide space for identification. The principle of optical positioning is to emit a light source to the mark point by mounting or printing equipment to achieve recognition and counterpoint role.